Hello everyone. Welcome to Mr. B Academy, the channel where you learn real, simple, and natural English through everyday conversations. Today's podcast is all about real-life English conversation, where questions are short but answers are detailed, just like native speakers talk in daily life. Let's get started. In today's podcast, I have a special guest, Sarah. So how is your day going, Sarah?
My day is going quite well, actually. I woke up early in the morning, which is something I usually struggle with, but today I felt motivated. I made myself a cup of tea, planned my tasks, and focused on finishing my work without rushing. When I manage my time properly, I feel more relaxed and confident, and that really improves my whole day.
What do you do in the morning?
In the morning, I try to keep a simple routine. First, I freshen up and do some light stretching to wake my body. After that, I have breakfast, usually something healthy like eggs or fruit. I also like to spend a few minutes thinking about my goals for the day because it helps me stay focused and productive instead of feeling confused or stressed.
Do you like your routine?
Yes, I really like my routine because it gives structure to my life. When I follow a routine, I waste less time and make better decisions. Of course, sometimes it becomes boring, but I remind myself that discipline is important for long-term success. A good routine keeps my mind calm and helps me balance work and personal life.
Why is English important for you?
I practice English in many simple ways. I listen to podcasts, watch videos, and try to speak English whenever possible. I don't focus too much on grammar while speaking. Instead, I focus on expressing my thoughts clearly. Making mistakes is part of learning, and consistent practice slowly builds confidence and fluency.
What advice do you have for learners?
My advice is to stay patient and consistent. Learning English is a journey, not a race. Speak every day, even if it's just for 5 minutes. Don't be afraid of mistakes because mistakes help you improve. Most importantly, enjoy the learning process because when you enjoy it, progress comes naturally.
That was today's real English conversation here on Mr. B Academy. If you want to improve your speaking skills, keep listening, keep practicing, and stay confident. Thank you for listening, and see you in the next episode.